Hi guys, welcome to another flower effective video. We're gonna work with these beautiful orchids from Opti-flor, and we're gonna start with taping a plastic band around the edge of this beautiful bowl. This because we want to make some extra grip for the clay that I'm gonna work with. Going to the next phase with the clay. Nice and messy for your hands, but fun to work with clay. And it's gonna be a base for these pieces of oyster shell, which are quite luxurious. So now it's time for the oyster shells to place them in this edge. Basically, we're doing it with different points, so we get a nice rhythm. I prepared the oyster shells by cutting them into squares and then breaking them in 4. And now we're going to place some rocks on the bottom of this big bowl. Time for the orchids. We're gonna take them out of their container so the roots fall loose, and we're gonna place them playfully in this nice big bowl. So because I take the orchids out of their containers, you have to pay a bit more attention to taking care of the plants, because the roots need, of course, the water. And make sure there's a layer of water where the rocks are. Finally, we'll place some water. So I think this turned out to be a really cool arrangement. Keep in mind that the clay needs to dry to become really sturdy. So this arrangement you can place really nicely in your living room. It's going to be a real eye-catcher with all these orchids together. See you again in another video.